Hello friends, welcome to Maths Nerd. So let's begin with the question, what is a ratio? So a ratio is a sort of an implied fraction but not exactly a fraction. It is written as A colon B form and it is read as A is to B. For example, 1 upon 2 can be read as 1 is to 2. But the main difference between fractions and ratios is that ratio is used to compare quantities and fractions are usually, I repeat, usually used to express a part of whole. Now let's see what are the parts of a ratio. This part, the first term is called the antecedent, while the next term is called the consequent. So let's take a look at few examples. In a fruit basket, the ratio of mangoes to apples is 7:6. This statement does not tell us the number of mangoes or the number of apples or the number of total fruits. It only tells us that the fruits in the baskets can be divided into a number of certain groups, with each group having 7 mangoes and 6 apples. Next is the ratio of a team's wins to loses is 3:1. It means that for every 4 matches the team played, the team won 3 matches and lost 1 matches. The next is the ratio of a boys to girls in a class is 4:3. So it means that the class has some number of students out of which some number of boys are there and some number of girls are there. And it means that we do not know the number of students in the class, but we know that the number of students in the class can be divided into groups with each having 7 students, and out of those 7 students, 4 will be boys and 3 will be girls. So now let's take a look at a proportion. A proportion is a pair of equivalent ratios. It is written as A is to B is proportionate to C is to D. What does this actually mean? It states that two ratios are equal. They are equal does not necessarily mean that their antecedents and consequents are equal. It's just like equivalent fractions, which also don't mean that their numerators and denominators are equal. Now let's take a look at an important formula related to proportions. It is product of means is equal to product of extremes. It means that if there is a ratio such as A is to B is proportionate to C is to D, it means that the product of B is to C is equal to is equal to product of A and D, or product of A and D is equal to product of B and C. Let's see this in action. We are given a question. Find the value of x in 4:9 is proportionate to x is to 36. So we'll write the formula first. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Then comes 9x is equal to 4 into 36. Since 9x is the means and 4 into 36 is the extremes. Then 9x is equal to 144. 4 into 36 is 144. Then we have divided both sides by 9 and we are left in this side with x, and on this side 144 divided by 9. So x is equal to 16, as 16 nines are 144, and we are done. If you have any doubts, put them in the comment section. Next video will be practice problems on ratio and proportion. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.